Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino Heights and we're going to take a look at a huge house, this one behind me. So let's go take a look and check it out. Okay, let's go on in. It's a pretty big house. We'll give you the grand tour. Automatic front door, nice. All right, so you immediately walk in. Here's the living space, living room, dining room, and immediately to the right here is the guest CR. As you can see, tiled all the way up to the ceiling. And also to my left here is a door, but unfortunately it's locked. But what's in here is a bedroom. It's approximately 15 square meters. It can be used for a bedroom or an office. They're using it for an office. And it also has a full CR in there. So let's go towards the kitchen. You can see there's a sliding glass door to a outer balcony, but we'll check out lower porch here, but we'll check it out later. Let's go into the kitchen now. As you can see, it's got built-in cupboards here to the right, and then cupboards all the way around with granite tops. See how that is? Nice island. And off to the kitchen is the dirty kitchen, granite top, and it's got another stove and ref in here, an exhaust fan, and next to here is the MAID'S CR, tiled to the ceiling, and then to the left here is the maid's room. So let's proceed upstairs to the bedrooms. So the stairways is hardwood here. Looks like Tangili. Nice wrought iron design. Give you a little pan from here. Nice light fixtures up there. So let's go ahead and go on up. So immediately when you get to the top of the stairs, you have this little living room area, hangout area, TV room area possibly. And we'll go into the first bedroom. The CR, shower. And the bedroom, we'll just pan around, and the bedroom has access to this balcony. As you can see, it has built-in closets, blinds. Let's go over to the other bedroom. This is actually a huge house. So we come into the next bedroom. And to the left you have the CR with a big jacuzzi tub. And you can see this is another sliding glass door to go out to the same balcony. And this room also has built-in cabinets. So let's go on over to the master bedroom. Hallway closet for towels and things. This is the master bedroom. Just pan around here. Again, this house is in Portofino Heights. High-end village. Extremely good security. The master bedroom has a jacuzzi tub also. And then off to the bathroom here on the left is a big walk-in closet. can see. So plenty of space there. And let's go take a look at the bonus area of this house. For those clients that have a lot of stuff, you'll like this bonus. They have a attic storage space and also a space for a gym setup or whatever you want to do. Could even be a bedroom up here if you wanted to. As you can see, they have this big attic space for storing lots of stuff. And as you can see here, looks like you used to have a gym here, and it looks like a bunch of games over there, so like a game room. And this particular room also has a sliding glass door. It goes out to this little balcony. So you can see the area behind the house. Very quiet. Let's take a down view. So extremely high ceilings, antique looking light fixtures. Let's go back down. I'll show you the outside of the house. This house actually has a sauna too, a sauna room. So let's go back down. Okay, I'll go out this way. Let's go out this way. We'll walk around the house. Have a little seating area out here. Nice landscaping. Any stuff that you see laid around, that'll all be taken out of here. This is the window to that office I was telling you about, or a bedroom. Take this stuff along the wall. This will all be removed once purchased. In here is a sauna room. Oh, she locked it. Anyways, there's a sauna in there. It looks like about a 3 or 4 man sauna. This will be removed. You can see the upper part where the balcony is. And this is the porch area to hang out from the living room. Let's make our way up through here. And then this door you see open here, that's the access to the dirty kitchen and maid's area. We already toured through there. It got an outdoor sink. And then we'll come into the garage. They have a lot of stuff in the garage, so I'm just going to show you what the garage is. It holds 2 cars. There's one in here. And to give you an idea of the size of this little storage area over there, or possibly a driver's room. But if you look above me, there's a square up here. This is also a driver's room. You see the ladder there. So you can use that for storage or driver's room, or use the other area across for a driver's room. It's up to you. So I'll cut back through the kitchen. So as you can see, this is a pretty big house. If you look down the description, you'll find the living space and square meterage and details on how you can contact about this house through philhome.com. As you can see, there's a big huge house being built right next to it, and then across the way is this house. See how the road looks in the approach. It's pretty quiet out here. So I hope you enjoyed this video from philhome.com. Look in the description, find out the details. If you'd like to contact us and have a broker show you this house, then just go to philhome.com or go to Philhome Facebook page and let us know, or just contact sales@philhome.com. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.